I have a way for you to make money by copying and pasting, and I'm going to show you exactly how. I want you to see my prompt shop in a box. Now, I've been talking about this for a few days, and so many people have joined or asked me questions about it, and I wanted to tell you a little bit more about it. First of all, these are AI prompts. So you have these prompts that you put into something like a Chat GPT or Notion or Lovable, etc. AI is moving at the speed of light. We all know this. Every day something new comes out, and it's hard to keep up a little bit, right? But with these prompts, the work is done for you. It's pre-made, pre-packaged. And so sometimes you'll have a question you want to put in a prompt, and sure, you'll be able to ask a question just like you're talking to a friend or an assistant. But the better your prompts are, and sometimes the longer they are, the better your output is, the better the outcome is. So you want to have these really sophisticated prompts sometimes, not just, hey, can you tell me how to do this, or, ask a question. So I've made more than 100 of these prompts over the past 5 months. I've tested each one of them. I've stress tested them, so more than once, fixed them when they were broken, and I have them inside of Arlan's prompt shop. I've sold to more than 600 people, thousands of these prompts. So recently, what I did was I created this school that you're looking at right now that has the prompts inside of the school for you to purchase the white label license. So essentially, you get to sell these prompts, you resell them as if they're your own because they are. You buy the rights to resell them, and you can put your own spin to it, your own kind of branding to it, or you could just really straight out the box do it exactly like I do. Either way works, but it's copy paste. So I wanted to show you what I mean by that. So in the last 10 days or so, almost 160 people have joined. It's very, very accessible pricing. Right now, as I record this, it's only $99. Depends on when you see it. It could be a different price. It probably will be. But get in where you can, because wherever it is, whatever the pricing is right now, is the lowest it will ever be. So jump in. It's worth thousands of dollars. So what you're going to do is you come to this page. The link is in my description below this video and the pinned comment. You click on that link. You'll come to this page. It'll look like this. It'll look like this, except this will say join now or buy now. It'll be a yellow button here. You'll click on this button, and it'll let you in. As soon as you pay, it takes seconds for it to let you in. If you've ever been on a school before, you know kind of how it works. If you haven't, it's a really simple site to navigate. Then you'll be let into the community tab, where you'll see your fellow people who bought the prompt shop in a box, and they can ask questions, and you can get answers to your questions here. This is a really cool part of it because I give you training, but if you have any like little questions, or if you want to get some ideas and brainstorm, this is the place. So somebody wrote, Rain said, name advice for my shop, please. And look, she has 21 replies already, just less than a day ago. So it's like very helpful in that way. Then everything is really, like I say in this pinned post, it's in the classroom tab. So you're going to go to the classroom tab. And you're going to look here in the start here section. So before we click into that, this is what it's going to look like for many people. Sometimes I'll move these around. Sometimes I'll add things. I definitely can add some stuff. But these are the prompts, like starting here, like membership landing page prompt, YouTube thumbnails, tasty pack, 100 business revenue prompts. So I'll show you a little bit of those in a second, but that's what you can see, that those prompts are there. Then you click on start here and get into the training. And it's very so made for beginners. I even have a what is an AI prompt section. Like what are we talking about here? It's so simple to figure out, but just to get you started. Then I have a meet me guide where it shows you a little bit about me if you're not as familiar. And then the license. So you get the license to resell. You don't have to sign anything. You don't have to download or print anything. You just have to review the license so you understand the guidelines. They're very, very, very flexible, and they're meant for you to be able to start today. So you're in, you join, and you can actually get started this hour if you want to. Remember that the link is in the description below if you want to get started right away. So then I have this strategy session. So I'm not going to show you the license because that's for people who are bought in, but I'll show you this strategy is 11-minute video as of right now, where I go over everything you need to know about how to sell these prompts and kind of the game plan for anybody who is actually a buyer. And then you have these options. You can do a school. You can, which is like 14-day free trial and $9 a month only. So you can do it on a school. That's kind of your cheapest, fastest version. You could do it on Stan Store. You could do it on whatever you already have, your own website. Like the way that you sell these or the place that you sell these is pretty like unlimited. Then I have this setup. So that's just 9-minute video, but it tells you everything you need to know about setting up your prompt shop. And honestly, if you do the school version, there's a copy paste, like so simple. And I'm not exaggerating. I'm not trying to get you in and then it's more work. You just simply copy along. I'll even show you. Like you go here and it says how to duplicate on school. And then it says you go to like, let's go to the membership landing page. You copy the course key that I give you and you paste it into something on school, which I teach you how to do in the setup, and then it's immediately there. Like it's just there. You can start selling it. So cool. And inside of each of these keys for the school shops, you get to know how many prompts are in each of the prompts, which I'll show in a second, the recommended retail price for that, the perceived value based on the outcome that the prompt gives you and how it can help you, convenience, help you save money, make money, etc. And then the course key that you just copy you paste it in elsewhere, and then it's just like good to go. If you want to do that, you could also use something different other than school. So then you look at this and you see, well, it's first like this golden goose prompter is pretty cool. You can't really check it out until you're in it, so I'll kind of leave it at this, but it's very cool. So let's just click into one of these prompts. Well, before I click into it, also understand the logic of not only are you going to be able to resell these prompts, but you get to own these prompts. So 600 people buying thousands of my prompts, you actually, if you bought one before and you loved it, you can now get the entire collection for this price too. So you understand you're paying $99 or whatever the price is when you see it for the resale rights, which means you can make it an unlimited amount of money from it, depending on what you do with it. No claims of finances here. And you also get the prompts themselves, which would cost $300-400 on their own. Actually, probably a lot more now that I have the bonus 100 business prompts. So it's immediate return on investment because you could have paid a lot more to get these prompts. So then let's just choose this first one, membership landing page, where you want to have like a full-on landing page that you would have paid somebody 500, 1,000, $2,000 to make for your product, for your service. Beautiful landing page. This is just an example of what it looks like. It's kind of based on this. And you get the how to use this landing page section that tells you, and then you get a little bit more instructions. And then you get the prompt. And if you click on the prompt here, it's like this long prompt, right? Like, look how long this prompt is. So it's not just a sentence. It's not just make me a page that says this. It's a long, very tested prompt that on its own is worth $99 or more. And that's just one of 125 prompts. Now, you also get the unlimited GPT, which is a 12-minute training. So I tell you everything you need to know about it if you're not familiar with GPTs and custom GPTs. But what it does essentially is if you look here, this custom GPT gives licensees, so if you buy in, the power to generate unlimited niche specific prompts for ChatGPT, Sora, Pixels, and more. It's your all-in-one creative engine for building your own profitable prompt shop. So you get my prompts, which are already, it's like having like a candy store. You already have all the candy. But then you have like a candy machine that can make the candy because you have my unlimited prompts. So no matter what your niche is, no matter what kind of offer or service or product, physical product, no matter what it is, If you have a brick and mortar, if you are a doctor, if you are a teacher, if you're a coach, if you sell skates, it doesn't matter. You can make prompts that complement what you do. Leave a comment and ask me a question about like, okay, I sell this. What could my prompts be about? I'm happy to do that because I know how to do that kind of thing. Okay, so this is like so powerful. If I could sell this probably for like $1,000 on its own, maybe more as part of a bigger package, like part of like a done something's for you service, like $5,000 on its own, and it comes with the $99 thing. So then I'll give you another example of a prompt. Let's say this YouTube one, this thumbnail one. So this one comes with 6 different prompts, right? And it shows you what it looks like, and then it gives you the prompt. So when you come in, the very first thing you do when you come in is, of course, take the training because it's going to be super helpful. But what I would do before I even sell one prompt, don't try to sell something first. What I would do is I would choose one prompt and I would just copy it. Now that I have access to it, I'd copy it, put it into whichever AI platform it's for, and then I would just see what it does for me. And because it's so helpful to me, I'll be able to see that within seconds. Then I'll be able to like say, oh, this is how I would explain it to other people. It helped me so much. And I'm going to say, I have this prompt that helps you do XYZ because I just did it. And that's just one out of 125 plus the infinite ones you can make. And then check out the golden goose when you get in there. It's only for about, I would say like tw- 1 in 12, yeah, 1 in 12 people get the golden goose. It was 1 in 30 and then it became 1 in 20 and now it's 1 in 12. So the golden goose isn't for everybody. It's for people who are like super serious about this and they want to go even further with it. It's pretty cool too. Yeah, it's amazing. So that's what it is. It's really simple to get started. It's fun. You get like immediate return on investment because you get access to those prompts and then you get to resell them. And yeah, we have some training, we have ideas, we have people sharing what's working for them. And it's only been open for like 10 days. It's been like 6 days officially and 10 days since I opened up the shop at all for resale. I've had my own shop for 4 months and I've been testing it in order to do this. So imagine in 30 days, 60 days, how much it's just going to evolve. So come in while it's still $99 because there won't be a way I can sell this for $99 for too long. It's already silly, silly, silly pricing. There's so many people in my lane, like, other people who do what I do, who are probably like, oh my God, Arlen, why are you selling it for $99? Supposed to sell it for like 1,000 or $2,000. I know. I know. Don't text me. I know. I just think that it's really cool and I want a lot of people to join and I want to have some fun with it. And that's kind of my joy, right? So jump in, be part of this before I raise the prices and get started now. So if you wait, you won't have that chance to take the training and then do the testing and then get it set up for yourself. And then you can have all kinds of creative ideas and ask me questions and stuff, and you can get started. And you could be selling like same day or tomorrow, right? All right. I'll see you very soon. If you made it to this part of the video, you are my people. I want you to say the code word blue, BLUE. The code word is blue. That tells me you made it all the way to the end of this video. And let me know in the comments if you're going to join, if you already joined Prompt Shop in a Box, or if you're planning on joining right now. Let me know. If you're not joining, but you watched to this part, I have to know. Let me know in the comments why you're not joining. Like, what is that limiting belief that's stopping you? There's even like a payment plan for $99. Like there's no excuse. If you go to the site, there's like a blue button that you can click on and you can actually pay and not have to pay the full amount. So I think it's on Stan or something. So, all right, come on in. I'll see you soon. Talk to you soon.